In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Photos search history. If you've ever wondered about how to manage or clear out your search history in Google Photos, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, it's important to note that Google Photos doesn't have a separate search history delete button. Instead, your search history is part of your overall Google account activity. This means you'll need to manage it through your Google account settings. Let's start with the most comprehensive method. Open your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Safari, or another option, and head over to myactivity.google.com. Once there, sign in using your Google account credentials. After logging in, you'll want to tap on the section labeled Web and App Activity, and then select Manage All Activity. Now here's where you can take control. In the top right corner, look for the Delete button. When you tap on it, you'll be presented with several options. You can choose to delete your activity from the last hour, the last day, all time, or even set a custom range. Selecting one of these options will remove not only your Google Photos searches, but also all other Google searches tied to your account. This method is particularly useful if you're looking to clear out a significant amount of history in one go. If you're interested in getting a bit more specific, let's explore how you can delete particular Google Photos searches. Again, you'll start at myactivity.google.com. As you scroll through or search for specific Google Photos activity, you might come across entries like beach, dog, or selfie. To remove these individual searches, simply tap the X located beside each item. This method is great if you only want to remove certain searches while keeping others intact. Now, if you're thinking about preventing future searches from being saved, there's an option for that too, though it's entirely optional. Head back to myactivity.google. Come and tap on Web and App Activity. Here you can choose to turn off Web and App Activity altogether. By doing this, Google will stop saving any future searches, including those in Google Photos. Keep in mind, however, that this will also impact other services like Google Search, Google Lens, and Assistant Activity. A few important things to keep in mind: your Google Photos search history isn't just tied to the app itself, it's connected to your entire Google account. So when you delete this history, it affects other services as well. Unfortunately, there isn't a separate Photos-only history delete button, so managing it through your Google account is the way to go. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these steps, you can easily manage and delete your Google Photos search history. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.